Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. US lawmakers launch probe into American companies using Chinese AI. China Mulls cutting off the world. From its best AI models, Meta launches Muse image. Microsoft quietly replaces OpenAI and Anthropic with its own AI in Excel. And finally, GPT 5.6, Sol, Terra, and Luna. Finally clear US government review, launching tomorrow. Let's get into it.
Here's a number that caught Capitol Hill completely off guard. Between 30 and 46% of all AI tokens processed by American companies are being routed through Chinese models. Not some, not a few, nearly half. That data comes from OpenRouter, the platform that lets developers plug into different AI providers. And the numbers have been above 30% every single week since February. The models doing the heavy lifting are DeepSeek and Z.AI. They are powerful, they are cheap, and companies love them. But here is the problem. A House committee has now launched a formal investigation into what that actually means for national security. When a US company sends its business data through a Chinese AI model, where does that data go? Who has access? These are not theoretical questions anymore. Washington has woken up, and the company's quietly saving money on AI. Costs are about to have some explaining to do.
Now this next story really got me thinking. This could change everything.
Remember how everyone cheered when DeepSeek dropped, and suddenly the world had access to powerful AI at a fraction of the cost? China may be about to take that back. Reuters is reporting that Beijing has held talks with Alibaba, ByteDance, and Z.AI about restricting overseas access to their most advanced models, including models that have not even been released yet. China's Ministry of Commerce is now treating cutting-edge AI the same way the US treats advanced chips, as a strategic national asset that should not just be handed to the competition. The scope of the restrictions is still being worked out, but both closed-source and open-weight models are on the table. Think about what that means. Developers around the world have built products and pipelines on top of cheap, capable Chinese AI. If Beijing flips the switch, those products break. The AI Cold War just escalated in a direction nobody saw coming.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
Meta just entered the AI image generation race with its own model, and the distribution advantage it has is almost unfair. The company's superintelligence labs launched Muse Image today, its first in-house image generator. It is free. It is live right now in the Meta AI app and Instagram stories, and it is rolling out to Facebook and WhatsApp soon. Until now, Meta was paying third parties like Midjourney and Black Forest Labs to power its creative tools. Now, they built their own. And here is why the competitive moat is massive. Meta has 3.58 billion daily active users across its platforms. That is more than the entire populations of China and India combined, all in one place. When Meta ships an AI image tool, it does not need to market it. It just appears in apps people already open every day. Adobe, Midjourney, and OpenAI's image tools are all suddenly staring down a very well-funded, very well-distributed competitor. And Meta also teased Muse Video, which is coming next.
This one caught my eye. There is more to this story than you might think.
This is one of those quiet moves that has massive implications. Bloomberg is reporting that Microsoft has started swapping out OpenAI and Anthropic models inside Excel and Outlook, replacing them with Microsoft's own proprietary MAI models. The reason is straightforward: cost. When you're running Copilot across millions of Office users processing billions of prompts every day, the token bills from third-party AI providers add up fast. Microsoft built its own models, and now they are using them for the high-volume, repetitive stuff. Wall Street loved it. MSFT stock jumped 2% on the news. But read between the lines here. Microsoft gave OpenAI $13 billion. They built their entire Copilot strategy around that partnership, and now they are quietly replacing OpenAI with their own AI inside the very products that Copilot powers. That is not just a cost optimization move. That is a long-term strategic pivot. And it is a preview of what every major tech company is going to do as their own AI capabilities mature.
Now this one is a little concerning. This is something we should all be paying attention to.
OpenAI just confirmed it. GPT 5.6 Sol, Terra, and Luna launch publicly tomorrow, Thursday, July 9th. For weeks, the US government held a national security review on these models before they could be released. That review is done. Sol, which is the reasoning-heavy flagship of the trio, is already expanding into global preview right now. Terra and Luna, the specialized models for long context tasks and creative work respectively, follow in the full launch tomorrow. This matters because GPT 5.6 is a meaningful leap over what is publicly available today. Developers and enterprises that have been waiting for access are about to get it. And the timing is interesting. OpenAI is dropping its most capable models the same week that Microsoft is reducing its reliance on OpenAI. Chinese models are facing potential restrictions, and the AI Cold War is heating up. The race for who controls the most powerful AI on the planet is moving faster than ever.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.